day 5, guys. Okay, so for today's skincare, it's a bit dry. Just wash my face nicely. I'll show you my face wash. I'll put a picture here. It will be easier for to understand. So my skincare is done. Now I'm going to enjoy my Red Bull and then I'll start working. I have so many stuff to do today, like literally so much work. Nice it looked that I changed my outfit. I'm wearing shorts from Forever 21 and this jumper is of my sister. I don't know where she got from this. So it's 11 o'clock now and it's too dark. It's really dark in my hall area. I'm just going to work. So my knee made this. What is this? What's this circular? Hey. She cheated with me. Give me that spicy noodles. No, she told me it's like top ramen something. I was like, okay, Maggie part 2.
टॉप रामेन इसके तो मैं नहीं लेकर ही खाता।
स्पाइसी है ना?
तीखा ग्रीन मिर्ची स्पाइसी है।
I got this. Let's open this and see what's inside. This is so nice. Get another battery. So this is the of the day. I'm wearing a jeans. It's a mom jeans, I think so. Yeah, it's a mom jeans, a little bit torn and patterns in my bottom side. It is not okay for me to show. I'm wearing this tomorrow tank top thingy to just give a little bit of a definition over my face. I'm not going to do much. I'll take my moisturizer, which I usually use. This one is from Earth Rhythm. This is enough for my face. That's it, like good to go. And now I am going to mix these 3 stuff together, like this is the brush. I'm going to mix these things together. See, I'm doing a science work. Just fun. So I am going to like put this all over my face. So I don't put highlighters in my normal days. I just do it very simple makeup thing and that's it. Like it's so I thought I'll show you guys what I keep in my purses. It's 1 o'clock. I got some messages. I just want to give them some time. This is what my bags look like. This is what my bag is. I'll keep my room clean and everything and then I'll leave home. So for the lipstick I'm thinking to put this one. It's from Maybelline. This is how the shade is, which is very like go to pink nude tone. This is the lipstick which I applied. I really like the color. It's really nice. It looks a little bit fresh on my face. Back home, my work thing went well. My lipstick is gone all over the place. Let me wipe this out. I received this today. My address is visible. Can't show you exactly. Let me open this. I know maybe it's that time, and here it is. Are you guys ready to see this? These are the makeup brushes. I wanted to have some new makeup brushes, so here it is. I just received these beautiful. I don't know how to read what's in the card, but this is so beautiful. I just love roses. This is like everything. So I wanted to end the vlog with the Edward calendar, open all the stuff. So this is a glossy box, that is one. What's this called stuff? So this one is Elemis Pro Cleanser. So in the day 2 I have got this package. I have this Trip for 2. It's a blush and bronzer. It is a really beautiful blush. Very powdery base. Day 3. So day 3 is this. I like it. The color is amazing. Like day 4 is this Sarah Chopperman London. It's a skin facelifting. So this is how it looks. Then there's a day 5. Day 5 is 8 hours antioxidant facial serum. That's all I got from my Edward calendar, and I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'm going to sleep in some time. It's 9:30 and that's it. Bye guys, good night.